Wait. Let's just see if it's up. It's live. It works. All right. So, sorry for earlier. First, my video camera wasn't hooked up, and my microphone wasn't also connected either. I'm not sure why, but whatever. So let's first go on to DGAS. See, the market is very, very volatile today. Third time's a charm. Literally, like, that's 11% right there. That little tiny bump. As hardcore as that is, it can go either way. So I held a position on SQQ last night, and I put where I want to buy, an alert where it is, but I held SQQ last night. It went up, I don't remember, even if I bought it at the top, it still went up like an insane amount, like 6%. Then for you guys, for me to trade you guys, there's so much consolidation. Like, you can see it went down like a total of 6% today, but you can see that's like flatlining. And then same thing with NG. It's not really doing anything. UWT, like, what the heck is going on here? You can see that it had a breakout indicator, but look at, there's so much volatility. Like, the spread is only 2%, and it's just going off the walls. So I might not trade today. As you guys might know. So the purpose of this is just to watch me do what I do, I guess. Learn from it. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. I got my phone set up. Alright. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna chill. Oh, wait. Show you it. Literally 3 times now. Frickin' Robin Hood thing finally took like 6 months to get. It's really cool though. Got 4% cash back on a thing that I bought last night. And it's also see-through. So that's cool. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to go in the chat. I'm just here to answer some questions, and I don't know, whatever you guys want. Also, I want to talk about this indicator real fast. The stock RSI. How you get to it is you come up here and then you type in RSI, and then you can go to just click that and then hit add selected and then apply. But it's super nice because you can see when it's gonna break down. Like, you can see right here, it's at the bottom, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna break back up again. It's pretty accurate though, so if it was like right here, you can see it's all the way at the bottom, which means it would be a good time to buy. So it's just a nice thing to know, like, when you want to buy. Like, if it comes down here and it's still not below the green, I wouldn't buy that. But if it's rising out of it and it starts if it's like right here, if it's right there, I would totally buy it because it has so much upside potential on it. But it's whatever. see. Alright, so it's pretty a delayed live stream. I'm looking at myself and it's like 10 seconds off. No, it's more like 45 seconds off. Let's go to, let's just look at Bitcoin real fast. So how I trade Bitcoin is, it's so simple. If it drops below this line, it's considered a good buy. And then once it starts to push up, I get happy. But if it does, to make sure something like this doesn't happen, or like this, because right here technically be considered a good buy, but it went up for a little bit and then down and then up, and then you want it to buy on the second cross, which it would be. So to make sure that doesn't happen, you go on the 1 minute chart, and then if it's also down, then you buy. But it's basically, if it's below the purple line and it's about to cross, then to confirm it, you go over to the 1 minute chart, and if it's also below or it's just above the purple line, it's a good buy because it shows that there's a lot of volume and I don't know, just some stuff going in there. Yeah. I'm not really sure. Literally nothing is happening today. I mean, it's going up, but you can see on the stock RSI, it's already at the bottom, so it would have to go up. And also, you can see the pullbacks of stuff. So if I bought like right here, and it was already up like 1%, you can see it had a little bit of a pullback down here. But it's literally insane today. Like that little tiny piece is 5%. So I'm pretty sure I'm only gonna do this for like an hour or so, because literally nothing's happening. I'm gonna try to post as much as possible now. Basically, whenever I try to take a trade, I'll try to live stream so you guys can see it in real time. Alright, give me a minute. I'm gonna go get a bang. bang. I'm not sponsored by them, but I would really like to be. Look at all the bangs that I'm drinking in like less than 36 hours. One, healthy diet, Dr. Pepper, Red Bull, of course. This is my favorite bang. They're really, really good, I guess. And then this one, everything. That's all the bangs that I've drinking in the last 24 hours. No, more than that. Probably like 36 or 40, because I literally wake up at 6:40 and I go to bed at 12 to 1 o'clock, and my alarm set for 6:45. Because practically all I do is all I do is pretty much stocks for a little bit. Cool news, car news. Car is on the way. I'm looking at a car today. It's a temporary car, but it's a good car. It's a BMW 335 with a N54 N55 engine in it. I love cars, I guess. All-wheel drive, since you can tune it. With the X-Drive app, you can literally put all the power to one wheel. I don't know. I think it's cool. You can set the power to both the rear wheels, the front wheels, and then you can also tune the engine to 600 or 700 horsepower, depending on what engine it is. It's the same engine used as in the M3 GT2. So I'm planning to turn it into a GT2 car and then sell it for like 110. But I'm going to go look at that today. ASMR. Man, that tastes like syrup. See, literally, like, nothing happens. It is nothing happening today. There's no way for anyone to get in and make a profit on this. There's no way for anyone to get in and make a profit on it. I just don't know how. I really like to wake up earlier, but my room is very, very comfy. I don't think anything's gonna happen today. And the live stream in 15 minutes. So at 9:45. I know I wasn't going for that long, but it's literally just a consistent up. Now, if it was just that consistent every day, it would. But look at this. Do you guys? If I go into the 4-hour chart, see, it's high. Like, it's really overbought right now, so it's determined to drop. And it's never gone past um, um, it's gone past. It's never gone past 400 before. SQQ. What the heck? SQQ, my guy. Let's see how hardcore they're going. Oh. Shoot. I missed out on that one. But it's okay. Whatever. Oh, and Bitcoin is perfect, I guess, right now. Alright. So it's crossing. I'm going to set an alert for down here, because that's when a good buy point is. Damn. Dude, that's hardcore. It's probably going to bounce. Oh, wait. That means TQQ. That means TQQ if I put it right there. Okay, so that was wrong. Wait, drawings. So there's probably going to be some consolidation, but from the looks of it, it's probably going to do like a bounce. That's going to be, where is, okay, whatever. It needs to confirm its direction by going above this simple moving average. Where, there you go. See? Pulling back for a little bit. See? Told you. It went down. And then if this goes, so this is like pretty overbought right now. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna reverse no matter what. I'm pretty sure it's gonna do a mini head and shoulders and then continue its way back down to probably these levels. Which means you can get it on TQQ. which is direct opposite of it, which is nice. Oh man, Bitcoin just triggered too. Alright, whatever. Just go. Once it gets past that green SMA line, it means it's confirmed. Oh man, boys. This needs to go up. Ooh, see? How many shares can I buy? $10,000 divided by 227. So divide that by 3. Do it by 50s. So you want your trading to be gradual. So you can see that it's holding a strong resistance line at whatever that is, 44.9. Yep, it's pulling back. Probably one more time. So I'm gonna switch over. Get an alert. Great alert. Goes above that. So you can see that it's a pretty low price right now, but if you look on the 1 minute chart, it's high, so it's really not a good buy because there's downside potential to it. I mean, you can take a risk, and sometimes it works. You can catch all the little that it bumps up, I guess. Right now, it's not good. It's having a hard time. You can see the DMA is pretty high. It's gonna pull back for a minute. Probably gonna, yeah, it's gonna drop because it's at the top of the RSI there. But it's only gonna drop about. It's gonna do a small pullback, and then once it gets past that line. It's like the ocean with ocean. Oh man, the DMA lines are touching. It's gonna maybe push on top of it. Let's see if it can. See, told you, huge pullback. So now you can see even a bigger one. So it's gonna go right here. This is a Head and Shoulders, a large Head and Shoulders. Alright. Darn it, I should have seen that on the SQQ. I'm just like really distracted today. So you can see it's overbought right now. I'm not gonna say that I shouldn't have bought that because I should have. It literally used it as a support and then it jumped right back up. And it followed all my rules, so I wish I got in there. It's only that much of a spike though, so alright, so today's is kind of hard to trade. Usually DGAS or UGAS has a pullback around 8:30, bounces off the middle VWAP, and then continues up. But today it just non-stop growth. I mean, that's good for their company, but actually, no, it's not, because that means it's going down for DGAS. Damn. Alright, I was thinking it's going to stop the VWAP line, but apparently not. It's following this trend line now. I know I should probably get in on SQQ, but it's way overbought for me to buy right now. Just doesn't seem like a good deal. Today's just a crappy day. Yeah, today's not a good trading day. That's very unpredictable. And I guess you need to be able to see that to watch it happen. I guess I just really thought if something was downtrending, it wouldn't just automatically pop back up. Alright, it's almost that time. It's 9:44. Wait, let's check out Bitcoin. Okay, so let's see what it's looking like. Okay, so it's not below yet. Not gonna buy. I will take a position though really soon. I don't think I'll take a position on any stock today or ETF. Some of you guys make fun of me for using Microsoft Edge. The only reason why I do it is they actually block ads. It's faster. It works with Windows a lot better. It works with Cortana. So if I type in something, it usually goes to Edge anyways. So is better. Um, so it's slower. I mean, it's faster. It blocks ads. It doesn't have any effect on your Windows that much. It's highly, what's it called? It's highly, uh, like, debugged. Like, there's no bugs. Um, it'll literally just clear you as far away to the ads as possible. Since Google makes money off of your information, Microsoft doesn't. They won't sell your information. It's better privacy. Even if you put it in private mode, it has nothing compared to Microsoft Edge. Their security. It's like 128-bit encryption everywhere you go on the internet. So, and that's bank level security. So basically, if someone was trying to get into your Instagram profile and you're on Bing, it'd be as hard as like hacking a bank. So that's the reason why. Damn. There's a little pullback, but it's way overbought. I don't even know how to trade that. So I just don't think I'm gonna take a position today. I mean, there's so much money to be made in the market, but it's hard. And it looks like it's about to cross. I mean, it would be a good buy technically right now, but it needs to stop making lower lows. The live stream should be over by now. I know it should, but I think I'm gonna just take a trade first in Bitcoin. I'll show you. Dude, I hate freaking I hate Bitcoin. I mean Robinhood's Bitcoin so much. Like, look at the price there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but look at that price. And then look at the buy and sell on the top of the top left of my screen. It's freaking insane. They buy it for like $6 higher, so you have to make it up. When you buy it, you're already like, depending on how much you buy. If you buy 2 solid Bitcoins with $12,000, you'd be down like $20 at first, which literally makes 0 cents. Okay, so if this pushes up continually, see, it has a triangle pattern, but it's a descending triangle pattern, so it's going to break down any minute now. And then that's when the buying point is. big drop is gonna happen. Like it just keeps on dropping. Come on, boys. I don't know, because I woke up at. Sorry, kiddos. Alright, guys, so I don't think I'm gonna see it today. Probably not gonna take a trade. Thank you for watching. Um, hope you learned something. Don't do anything stupid. Stay confident.